Hello, I'm Martin from Ashbys, and today I'd like to show you a couple of bits we've got for sale. Three items in fact. One is this 50-foot V2 hose set, which you can see on the floor here. It goes all the way back. Sorry, this is being filmed by Michael, our storeman. Goes all the way back to here. So 50 foot is 15 metres of hose. Yeah, it's in good condition. Let me just show you. Reasonable order, new connectors where necessary, doesn't leak. New cable ties holding it all together, all been tested. These are quite expensive items at 50 foot. They are £423 brand new. And a hose bag, which we've got an old one there, which you can have, is normally 37. And this hose set is for sale at 235. The only thing that's different from it, and a new one really, is that this material sleeving, this black heat insulating material sleeving, has come away from the swage. And so what we've done, we've put a longer reinforcing clear PVC tube on it just to push it back and lock it in, so that basically your customer's items, if you're using it with the steam mate, are protected. And yeah, basically to make up that insulative sleeve right to the insulated female connector, which is new there. Yeah, so that's for sale. That's 235, and it comes with an old hose bag there, really just to keep it all together for you. The other two items that we have for sale are these hand tools, and these are quite neat. They're both exactly the same, apart from one has a grey intake hose, the other one has this black intake hose. If you'd show that, Michael. I'll show you around this hand tool actually. Okay, so what they are a 11.5 centimetre wide, which in old money is 4 inches, hand tool with an internal spray. So the spray is within the vacuum slot. It's actually inside the vacuum slot. Hopefully you can see that. That gives you a low moisture clean when you're working on upholstery, so that it remains, the clean is surface active and it's not penetrating into the foam backing of the material that you're cleaning. It's also very handy for mattress cleaning as well, because again, you're working more on the surface without giving the water the opportunity to soak into the actual back of the item you're cleaning. It also gives you very little overspray as well, so it's the perfect tool for upholstery and it's the perfect tool for mattress cleaning, and it's giving you that low moisture clean that you need. You've got a vacuum slider on these. I don't normally use them. It just allows you to reduce the amount of vacuum that you're sucking the water out with, and therefore increase the depth of penetration of the water. But certainly I'd never really use it. Maybe if you're using a different machine. Different machines you may want to increase the depth that the water's going in, but I certainly don't. So normally I work with that closed. Yeah, very good tools. They've got metal valves, stainless steel jets. This tool is stainless steel as well, obviously. So we're going for a long time. These have a list price of £153, and these hand tools are £85. And we got 2 of them. The second one being the one I'm going to use, which is here, just so you can see the difference. Not brand new, but in full working order, all pre-owned. Yeah, very good little tools. Right, let's show you it cleaning some upholstery. The upholstery that I've got here is already clean, so I'm not trying to show you how much dirt we can extract, just simply showing you how the hand tool works. What I will do actually is, Michael, if you could just zoom in on that for me, please, sir. That's a bottle of shampoo. So we do something called Supreme Shampoo. We also sell other shampoos by Prochem, for example, called Fibre Safe. Fibre Safe shampoo? What's the Prochem shampoo called?
There is a fibre shampoo.
Is it? Okay, I think it is called Fibre Safe shampoo. Okay, so yeah, any high foaming shampoo that's alcohol based can be put into one of these Birchmeier foaming sprayers, which are quite neat little things. Foamatic 1.25 foaming sprayer. So you pump it up. I think I've already pumped this one up. There you go, that's the relief valve kicking in. And basically, it allows you to give a surface active application of your foaming pre-treatment for upholstery. So whereas when you're carpet cleaning you would apply your pre-sprays, when you're upholstery cleaning you basically apply a shampoo as your pre-treatment. Right, there it is, there's the brush. You allow that to dwell and then you lightly agitate it in with circular motions all over the upholstery. Don't scrub, just simply move. Soft circular motions. You can also obviously apply stain removers to areas that have hand grease or ballpoint pen marks or whatever. There we go. So you shampoo your upholstery and then we're going to use our low moisture hand tool to rinse and extract that away. Yeah, if you stand over there, Michael, probably be the best place. Let's get my remote control so I can switch my machine on. We've got an enforcer working about 100 foot away. Let's turn that on. I've dialed down the pressure on my enforcer, which is a 400 psi machine, to 150 psi because you don't need anything like 400 when you're doing upholstery. Even 150 is on the higher side. So. Okay. What we want to do is show water going up there and just show them clean really Michael, if we can. Here I'm far enough to create that jig. Can you get that? And obviously if it was heavily soiled we see the dirt coming out as well. And if you look at how little overspray you can get with this, look. Can you zoom in on that please? Just showing the customers how little overspray you get when you're using something like this. So you're able to work fairly dry. I mean, you always want to put down a protective mat or a ground sheet with an absorbent dust sheet over the top to create that protective barrier between the item you're cleaning and the customer's flooring. And we just rinse and extract that out. Can you come up and get that head? So that's clear windows. Come around this side. Thank you. And there we go. Give it a dry back. Make sure we get everything out, and that window's great for seeing that. Making sure there's not a lot left in it. And then what I always like to do is give the upholstery with a clean white terry towel, bit of a brush, all in the same direction. This one hasn't got pile, but when it has, you lay the pile in the right direction. But this really does help to get it dry. And I know you guys can't feel that because you're down the end of the internet, but yeah, it's come up pretty dry. In fact, if I give you a manual demonstration, look. Have I got moisture on my backside, Michael?
No.
Right, there we go. So yeah, it gives you that low moisture clean. Basically, these sorts of chairs can be ready for use in 20 minutes or so. Then the last thing you want to apply, you might want to come on round on these products here, Michael. Turn this up actually. Yeah, the last thing that you'd like to apply is a finishing spray. So we're using Supreme Finish with a little bit of Extra Fresh. That one fixes the colour and brightens and neutralises pH. And that one is a bactericide with a built-in deodoriser. So we just give a light mist over everything we've done. And that's it. That chair, let it dry off, is now ready. But yeah, so we have a 50-foot hose, which is 235, which is this guy here, V2 heat insulated, V2 female connector, so good if you've got a steam mate. And we have two of these hand tools, which are 11.5 centimetres wide, which is 4 inches. Have that clear vision view window, internal spray, metal valves, high pressure hosing, so all good as well, and give you that low moisture clean that you might want if you're working on upholstery. If you'd like to purchase either of these items, please give us a call. Our telephone number is 01795 436 999. That's 01795 436 999. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.